are you going to be when you grow up?
A basketball player.
What do you love about Hills Basketball?
They really push girls to try their best because they want girls to be out and active and be competitive and learn to be strong women. So I think having some really good role models through basketball has got me involved, and I've just kept going because I love the game.
What advice would you give the girls about playing basketball, Chris?
Just to keep practicing and don't give up. Try everything, like just keep going, whatever you want to do, and just get involved.
And if you think you can't do something, you might not be able to do it now, but you can do it later.
Seeing young women in particular being able to be competitive, to be athletic, to develop a lot of friendship, to have a safe social environment.
Like everyone thinks that if they make a mistake it's going to be the end of the world, but it's not. Everyone makes mistakes and you're only human, and that's where you learn the most, so it's heaps of fun. I ref basketball.
Good job, thanks girls.